Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and this morning when I woke up, I put some conditioner on the leather, so it should be good to go inside. So let's move the car a little bit so I can easily access the doors, and then start taking out the seats and putting in the leather seats and see how it comes out. So let's go.
A little bit of light, a little bit of gold. Under pressure you start to fold, like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are, maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are, maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me use my mind right. Made me use my mind right. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me use my mind right. Made me use my mind right.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say.
There you have it. The seats are installed. pretty good. After using a lot of leather conditioner, because after I put the color on, the seats were really matte finish, but now it's a little bit more shinier. I went like 5 coats, so it looks much better. Super good. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to grow it, so yes.
Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here